When it's rainy and muddy outside, you can teach your puppy to wipe his paws on a doormat. Now, when we teach a puppy to wipe his paws on a doormat, we're actually teaching him a digging motion. So we're going to get him to do a dig. I have a doormat here. I'm going to take a little piece of treat and let JD watch as I hide the treat under the corner of the doormat. There you go. Get it. Good. Now, the second she took one scratch, I clicked, and I lift the corner to let her have that treat. So once again, did you find it? There you go. Once again, I'm going to put a treat under the corner. Say, get it. Good. As soon as she does one scratch even, I'm going to click and let her have the treat. Now, as she gets better and better at this, I'm going to require more and more scratches before I click and give her that treat. Some dogs are going to be reluctant to scratch, and they're just going to kind of sniff around to try and get the treat. For those puppies, kind of lift up the corner and quickly show them the treat is there to kind of get their interest back on it again. All right, let's give that a try with some other puppies. Good, nice job, good. It's not uncommon when teaching this trick to have to regress for a short time. Perhaps your puppy was digging really well and then seemed to have trouble. Go back to just rewarding him for just one scratch. Now our next step is to stop hiding the treat under the doormat and to just kind of point it or tap it instead. JD, dig. 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 Good. And then give him a click. And one more time. Can you dig? Dig. Dig. Click and give her the treat. Very nice. Good job. Let's recap this trick.